Hey, what's up, guys? You're probably wondering why, I'm in a tank top and do-rag and, some shorts right now. Yeah, I got a package today, and, another one. THREADBEAST. So, why not do a box opening? A little review. Oh, block to the camera. A little review of what I've gotten today. And considering my birthday is coming up, this will be a perfect time to have a birthday suit, don't you think? So, got a package, one less trip to the mall. Know about that one. Must-haves just for you. And, the last package was pretty dope. I liked it. It was great for Cinco de Mayo. Not gonna lie, it was perfect. And I had a little Cinco de Mayo party. It's perfect fit. It was like, oh, bet. So let's see what's in this one. Trusty scissors. Let's see what's in this one. THREADBEAST, pretty dope company. Last time I got the spectacles, so I don't expect any surprises. Open, bing. Looks nice little setup. Bink. Alright. Got the classic crew socks. Right off the rip. Free package giveaway little thing, to show off your fit. This time it came wrapped. There's no spectacles in it this time. So, THREADBEAST sticker. And switch up. I fucks with this hat, bruh. Hey, I like this. Don't raise your voice at me. This is a hat I like. The last hat, I was like, alright. I guess. Oh, they came through. Oh, the second. This one's probably the best one right now. Look at that. Got the diamond. Alright, I'll fuck the diamond. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll wear the diamond clothes, You got the diamond clothes. Diamond shirt. Oh, wait, got the black tank top. Hold on. Little fort. Oh, wait, hold on. A little. Okay. So, I'm looking, and it's not a full fit. It's cool. I got a tank top. I got the Diamond Supply shirt. No shorts. No pants. But, this is pretty dope. This is a pretty dope shirt. This is something I will probably rock. Not on my birthday, but it's definitely something I will rock. I likes it. The Odd Future shirt. Look at the material. Like, it's pretty. That's like a nice little Rugrats theme shirt, Something different. I likes it. But I'm gonna try this on, see if I like it. I'm not gonna lie, like everything in this shirt, everything in this box, I pretty much like. So I'm gonna try them on. Let's see. Got this shirt right here, a little Odd Future t-shirt. Got me looking like a light-skinned Tyler the Creator, but something different. Without flexing this on my birthday, probably not. But you know, just casual. I wanted to have my collar out, but you know, this like blue is my color, so black, a little black and turquoise. Fucks with it. Then you got this right here. Peep the hat. You know, oh, it's on the side. You know, I can rock this with this. You know, sun's out, guns out. You know, I can flex a little bit at the same time. Simple to the point. I'm just, you know, going out a little bit. A little pool party, you know. Dope shirt. A little backwards, but you know, something different, you know. That's the thing about THREADBEAST. Like, even if you wear, like, they introduce you to different clothing, you know. So there's this, you know, with the black on the back. You know, for to flex a little bit. And then last but not least, I got the diamond shirt. Diamond Supply Company. I do have a few of this brand. This would be dope for, like, you know, 4th of July. I don't really like white shirts as much as I do most people. The all white anything, they get dirty and then it's over for them. But, you know, I like this, the bright colors, red, white, and blue. It'll be a dope, you know, little 4th of July shirt. Maybe. You know, but I really fucks with this hat. I'm not gonna lie with you. Just from the saying alone. I'm just gonna tell you guys straight up. The best thing out of this package, this time, will be this hat. Last time, the hat wasn't really the best thing. I gave that to my friend. It had like roses and stuff on it, but I don't really like do roses on my clothes, like, at all, ever. This shirt is dope. You know, not something that I will rock like in June, but 4th of July, definitely. The Odd Future shirt, not gonna lie, it's dope. Cause it got like all my colors. Like, we got like the whole solid black colors with the tank top, but you also got the blue, and then blue, bright red, white, and blue shirt. Just in time for 4th of July. So, you know, I can't say I didn't like the whole thing, but you know, just the weird that I didn't get like pants or shorts, you know. That's the weird part about this, the fact that I got 3 pairs of shirts and not no like shorts. The hat's dope this time though. I like the hat. They did good with the hat this time, because last time the hat was pretty much trash. But yeah, I like this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Probably gonna rock this tomorrow, cause you know, I'll be feeling like this. Don't raise your voice at me, boy. It's a nice little fit. And you know I'm a hat man. I am a hat man. So, you know, and when I rock with hats, I really rocks with hats, you know. But yeah, that's just me. But if you like what you saw, thanks for watching. If you didn't like what you saw, you watched it. Oh, thumbs up, thumbs down. So whatever you want, baby. But I really appreciate for watching. If you're new, subscribe. You know, I'm gonna be doing more of these. There's gonna be a whole lot more videos coming because I'm way behind on videos, and this is probably gonna be dropped in before my birthday. So my birthday is a Sunday. Today is Thursday. Probably gonna be dropped Saturday-ish, roughly. But I'm about to drop like hella videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and See you guys later.